It's just checking. Coast is clear. This may lolang naglalakad. So, at least. Lamig, it's 10 degrees. Sobrang lamig. Grabe naman. So, 6 o'clock in the morning, wala masyadong tao. And sobrang mukha pang gabi. It looks like it's nighttime. But in the Philippines, usually by this time the sun is out and, you know. So I'm just gonna be a bit more careful, alert and vigilant. Whatever that will come across. So there's a taxi there. So usually this is a 15 to 20 minutes walk, max 20 minutes. 25 minutes pag sobrang bagal ka. Pero this is my form of cardio already. Because usually on my days off, I seldom go out. Because when you go out, that means you need to spend something. Or not really, but you know, not really fond of going out at this moment because I'm waiting for someone so that I can enjoy being out. And that someone is my lover. So, lakad lang. Yung daan is uphill and then downhill. Pero pag during daytime, it's a very nice view. Especially pag makita mo yung mga tanim sa park, yung mga bahay across the park, yung golf course doon. Nadaanan ko yung golf course, nadaan ko yung fare station. Usually, storytelling lang. There's some news na may mga nangyayaring krimen sa loob ng park na yan. Stanley Park, we call it. Pero, tsambahan lang siguro. Pero ayaw mo na matsambahan ka, diba? So, I'm not going inside the park when it's dark. I'm just by the highway lang. Outside ako naglalakad. Even though, still not safe. But, ready naman tayo. If kung at anuman, ready tayong tumakbo. So, just raise everything to the Lord. Your fears and stuff like that. And just let God, not, diba? Even though I walk in the valley of darkness, I fear no one. For I know God is with me. Turo yan ng tatay ko. Umulit pa ako, hindi ko nakakalimutan. Hindi ko alam anong version, pero alam ko lang siya. Yan. So, ayan. Lagi ako minakasalubog. Nag-walk ng dog at this hour, this time. So, it's fine. Hindi sa mga tao, yung mga aso. So safe.